Okay, with this video, you're going to learn how to use boards on your desktop. Okay, so I am in the Google Chrome browser. So I want to get Boards extension. So Boards has a great extension in here. If you're not on the Google Chrome browser, that is okay. I will show you another way to do it in a minute. So I'm going to click on those little dots. I'm going to go down to extensions and I want to go to the Chrome Web Store. And there I'm going to type in boards. And right here is the one I want. You click on that. And so now this is where you get the board extension. I've already got it in here, so I'm not going to do it again, but this would say install extension. So once I've done that, I now want to go up to where those little puzzle pieces and I click on it. And here's my board and the extension. So I want to click on the push pin. And what that did was it put that or the B right here. Okay, that's the extension. And so you're going to see why that is so important. So I'm going to I want to download a board. So I'm going to use the one that is in the roadmap. There's two of them in here. There's a 20-minute party one and there's 5-day party one. And both of these are different. So I'm going to show you how both of them work. So the 20-minute party, I clicked on it and I need to open it in boards. Okay, there's nothing I can use here yet. So I need to open it in my boards. Okay, so here it is in my boards, but I can't use it yet because I have to create my own. See, now I'm going into the subfolder. So I have to get this on in my boards that where I can edit it. Okay, so I'm going to click on all those. I'm going to click save. And now I need to create a board because I need a place to put it. So it was 20-minute party and I'm going to create it. Now, if you remember, there was a subfolder in there and there was one that said 3-day party. That's what we clicked on. So I'm going to create a folder and now this is 3-day party. Okay. Now there's where I want to put it. So I'm going to put save here and those that I clicked, they're in there now, but I still need to do the rest of them. So I want to go back. There's the 2 days before and I'm going to select them. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to save and I'm in the 3-day party. So I want to back up and I want to create a folder. I'm still in the 20-minute party, but this is, this was it was before 2 days before. So I made a mistake in that one and I'll show you how to fix it. So I'm going to create the folder. Now I'm going to save here. Okay. So you're going to have to do them for each one. Okay. It's a little bit tedious, but once I show you how boards works, you're going to see why it's worth it. Okay. So I'm going to close out of that one. Remember I said I made a mistake in it. So I'm going to go to the 20-minute party and I didn't put 3 days before. I put 3-day party. So I could click on it and go up here. You can edit the titles. So 3 days. And another cute thing too is if I click these are little emojis. So if I click on it, you can choose whatever emoji you want and it puts it there. And what that does, it just makes it easier to identify when you're looking at them. Okay. So the other way I can download a board, and remember, you don't have a reason, you don't get to pick and choose how they come to you. So this is the 5-day party. And so this one, you're actually just joining the board. So I'm going to click here and you're going to put the email in that you registered with boards and you're going to join the board. Okay. So now it says it's waiting for you in your board. So click continue. And there it is. There's the 5-day party template. Okay. So this one you can actually use. You don't have to copy it yet. So if I'm going to use it, I want to do the Google Chrome browser. That's why this thing's so amazing. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to go down and find my board. And there's the 5-day party pre-party day 1, I click on the wording and it pops right in there. And the same thing for the image, okay? So, but if you notice, there's a bunch of things that you need to edit in here, just like when we had Bisley. So I'm going to go back and change it, and then there it'll be ready, okay? But if I don't want to have to change it with each one, because this means you'd have to change it with every one, I can go in here back to my board, and remember, this is the one that has the little people on it. So I need to put it into one that I can edit it. So I'm going to do the exact same thing as I did before with the other board. So I'm going to go in the pre-party day. This one doesn't have subfolders, so it makes it easier. So I'm just going to click on all the posts, but this time I'm going to hit copy. And again, I need to create a board for it. I need a place for it to go. And I think this was the 20-minute party. That's why it's a good idea to write them down, because I don't always remember. So because there's no subfolder, we can put it right here. So we're going to paste it here. Okay. So now it's right here. And we can edit this because there's no little people there. Remember, little people means you can't edit it. But without it, you can. So I'm going to go back to that post. If you click edit here, again, all these places that you need to edit. Well, I can edit in here and click done. And so that saves it. So when you've got it in, if you do and you edit it and you've got it edited in here, you won't have to edit it in every time with all of them in here. Okay. So I'll go down, I think with the 20-minute one. No, that wasn't it. It was, I got the wrong one. Which one did I just do? Okay. So you can see it's saved there. So I don't have to edit it for every post. I can actually do it in boards. Okay. So now you can use the videos also. The videos are a little bit different because Facebook is not liking it when you do our videos through boards. It thinks it's spam. So a lot of times what will happen is it'll immediately take it out. Doesn't do it every time, but it does it often enough that I don't want to use my videos through boards. There's another reason too. So I'm going to click on boards, and I'm going to put my verbiage in, and then I'm going to go put a video in. Okay, I'm going to show you what the videos, how the videos are when I'm doing it through boards. Okay, so you just, any videos. So these are just happen to be from Market Imagery. So I'm going to click on it, and it puts all that little, all the long URL code. So I put that in there, and the video's in there, but you notice there's no thumbnail there. Okay, so they're not going to see the video going as we would, like we're used to, like we normally have seen it. So that's, I don't like that. So there's another way to do it, and I can still go put my wording in there. And you don't have to put verbiage in there with all of them. And you don't have to put an image in with all of them. It's just however your choice. Okay, but I'm just going to do it so I can show you. So the best way to do it is to download the videos from your phone. Okay, I'm sorry, not your phone. Download the videos from your computer. So it's just like you would normally do it. You click on the photos and the videos, and then you're going to add photos and videos. And so I've got my videos from Market Imagery saved to my phone. So I'm just going to click on that one and put it in there, and see that one shows the thumbnail. It's going to show the video going. So, and it doesn't have all the URL right there. So I think it looks better this way. And Facebook won't take it out. So that is the ways to do video. Now, I use boards for my host coaching. I use boards for everything, but I use it for my host coaching too. So I'm going to click, I've got my click on here so that my cursor's flashing, and I'm going to go do my host coaching. Okay, so there's my host coaching, and I'm just going to click on one of them, and it puts it right in there. Okay, this is why the boards extension is so awesome. And I will show you in a minute how to do it without the boards extension. So go back there, and same thing. You click on an image and you're done. So literally I can get my host coaching done in under 2 minutes, depending on how many parties you have. And you do it before your feet hit the floor in the morning. So then now, if you don't have the Google Chrome browser, if you're not using the browser, that's okay, but you won't be able to use the extension. Okay. So how you would do that is you go into boards again, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on what you want. You're going to click on share, and basically you're just copying and pasting. See, it copied it to your clipboard. So now I'm going to go back to the post, and I'm just going to paste it. You right click and you paste it. Okay. It's the same thing with image. You click on it, you click on the share, you go back to the post, and you're pasting it. Okay. So you get the same result. It's just a couple different steps. So that's the way you would do it if you don't have the extension. Okay. So, and it works the same way with when I do it with my messaging. So it's exactly the same thing. Oh, I'll show you here. I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna share it. I'm gonna put it down there. I'm gonna right click on it, and I'm gonna paste, and it does the same thing. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoy boards and you get to see how easy it makes our job. All right. Have a good day.